Ew, so cute. Oh, this one I want. It's very... I like this. Extra luggage. 18 liters. Oh, nicely. Oh, this is 62 bucks. Oh, 38. Gusto ko din na... Cute! What do you mean?
Destination will be on the left.
Natapos na natin yung pag-gift hunting for our budol kits. Sis, akala ko kung ano. Boa! Last time yung pumunta kami dito is merong ambulance, merong basta brownout, sayang. And then ngayon, here we come, Depenyets! Depenyets de Sandol. All Indonesian cuisine and desserts, pero fusioning. So this is our usual oda. Just the mild one. Super anghang itong mga to. Even the level 3, I'm not sure if matatolerate ko siya. Ooh. Okay guys, here are the budol kits that we got from yesterday. Ito yung binili ko like few weeks ago para dun sa isang budol kit, but we weren't able to join them during last weekend. So ito sobre naman siya, so we'll just use them for later. And then ito yung dalawang color na binili ko din. Like we will include this one sa budol kits. And then ito yung favorite ko, like honey. I like honey bunch. I like honey themed na mga stuff. So ayan, I bought a lot, parang like 6 pieces, so we will just be including 2 of them, and then the rest I will give it to my workmates. Hand cream. I think they'll love the hand cream, but I haven't tried this one there. I bought this one sa Daiso, and etong cutter I bought sa MEEK. And of course, hindi mawawala ang albatross. Wala lang, hindi ko lang alam, pang feel lang yan ng pang feel lang ng mental block chart. So, eto binili ko dahil wala na ako maisip. So, I think they'll be able to use them. And I also bought like 2 containers, push bottle type. So, I will be refilling yung dalawa kong, yung skincare ko for Carla, miss kasi. May masirap. Tanong ka lang. Hindi ako sa blue, siya very intense. Down. My all-time favorite CC left, left pala.
Dikit lang, dikit yun sa may
Sa may chin.
Ay, yun na pala.
Ayun na. Diba sa ilok? Ating makeup artist.
Salam.
Para maganda ng hair mo. As in, pwede ng hair mo. Show.
Sa kulot lang.
Gayon. Dito ko kayong totoo.
Sa TikTok din. Sa TikTok lang ako naka-add.
Guys, cluster eyelash na hindi dumidikit. Si Aro gani inisisi dati ko pa ni may itom siya. Aro kamot ko na takot ako. Hilingan ta. Pero di man halata. Parang baka nagpapapatos regalo.
Hindi na ipapatos nga. Ano nga, iuhulog lang.
Sige. Ito na yung Vietnam suit mo kayo eh. Sige nga, ipakita mo yung Vietnam suit. Yes! Finally! Meron ng pagagamitin. Kapay, magaya ng cut. Very nice. Yes. And also, thank you, Neil, sa pagdala nito. Okay. Outfit check! Rico. Pero guys, I forgot my curlers. So, ang ginagawa ko ay parang iniipon ko siya sa gitna para hindi siya yung parang hati. But I'm not sure if it's gonna work. And yes, this dress is from Vietnam. $80. Parang Christmas gift. Or really perfect ni for New Year. Super nice. Oh, mag-glitz and glamour theme. Char! And also, I'm wearing this sandals also. Glitz and glamour. I got this for $10 kasi meron tayong Meyer points na 30 ay hindi siya parang $30 credit and then the rest I just paid for the shipping. So see, very good deal. Parang $10 lang. Okay. And then magbaban lang tayo dahil masyado na po tayong aray ko. Sino garo higot? Pero syempre, since
Nagapod si Nilo.
Pimple patch pa, may pimple pa.
ito muna ang ating footwear dahil magta-tram tayo 15 minutes from here. And then, ayun, maghihils na lang tayo pag nasa venue na. I'll show you the venue. It's pretty. It's very pretty. It's a French restaurant. Crown Tower Hotel. Okay, guys, I brought 2 perfumes. One is during the morning and one is during the night. Evening. One is during the evening. So, ayan. Ito ay parang tart smell. Kamukha niyo yung kaamoy niyo yung Devotion Dolce & Gabbana. While this one is vanilla-based perfume. Para siyang yung kumquat scent sa opening. So, ayan. Pinamoy ko siya kay Carla. She said it's very strong, yung vanilla niya. While this one is parang very, very festive kasi yung amoy nito. So, that is why we'll be wearing this one for tonight. Okay. Okay, spray natin! Amuyin! Basta. Hindi ba nagdugba sa liog? Yung ano. Okay. Bistro Gilaume. I'm not sure how you say it, but the heater is very Mainit. It's very heating. Ayan siya. Para kami nire-roast. With Ramley and friends. Dito sa Crown Hotel. Alrighty guys, currently at Crown Tower. And ayan, naghahanap kami ng spot na pwede mapag-punan ng photo. Christmas photo. Christmas entry. We are back sa ating lungga. Kita nag-ulay kaniha.
Yo, tayo nga ni. Tapos si Mickey Mouse
Ramley.
sana, kaso hindi ko mahanap.
And here's mine.
Sabi ko yan na lang at yan ang nakalabas.
And si Neil, yung isa kong ganito. Gifting na? Ano yung exchange gifting? Budol kit! Yes! Ganda! Carla na yan? Pangliit! Ay, Carla, perfect!
Tapos pwede mo ipunin siya. Sabi niya, ano kaya yung kasalanan? Ang bayad sa mga tao, hindi ako nakasama.
Affordable princess kayo! Pinaro na kita! Ay, nice!
Thank you, Carla.
Wala, sira na yung ganito ko. Wala, sira na yung ganito ko. So, may pampalit.
Oh, enjoy it, man! Let's do this yearly!
Yes. Para sa ganun ng katawan! Oh my God, very useful! Ay, wala akong hand
Ang boring,
cream.
dalawa lang
So,
ang ano.
ako din.
Talaga?
Ang cute.
Ang boring!
Okay lang yung sense.
Outfit check! And currently packing on our last day. And then punta kami sa somewhere in the city or somewhere sa east. Kakain, magbe-breakfast. This is from TikTok. Shop by my ZZ Faily. I love it so much. Ito na yung mga parang sinusuot ng mga kabataan ngayon, hindi ba?
Ganda ng mga chinelas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas! Christmas outfits! Top from TikTok, shopped by my Faily, CZ Faily. Pants from Uniqlo and my very fluffy sandals from Hermes. Love, love, love! Okay, so last day sa hotel, we will be going to Southeast for some breakfast. Okay, we are wearing jacket dahil malamig pala ngayon. It's 17 degrees. And so is the leather jacket. City! Merry Christmas! City!
Ganun may sasabi pero dahil.